Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to launch a static website using Amazon S3. To launch a static website, just come to the Amazon console, open Amazon S3, click on create button. First, give a unique name for the S3 bucket. Click on ACL enable. Uncheck the block all the public access. Yeah, I accept. Click on create button. So we should change the name. Give the unique name for your bucket. View details. Here we created our bucket. Now we need to upload the files which we are going to host. To host the sample website, let us download some sample websites from css.com. Here we can select websites which are free from free CSS templates. Select any of your template. Click on download. Close it. The files are getting downloaded. After downloading, just extract those files. Extract all. So these are the files we are having. Close it. Now here we need to upload those files in the S3 bucket as an objects. Click on upload. Click on add files. Here are our files which we downloaded. Yes. Select those files. And now let us add those folders also. So these are the folders. Okay, we need to add every folder at a time. Upload, add new folder, add images, upload, add new folder, fonts, add CSS files. Sorry, folder. Upload it. Now we upload everything. Just click on upload. The files are getting uploading. Click on close. Let's move to the files. These are the objects which we just now uploaded. Now we should make these all objects public. Click on select all objects. Go to actions. Scroll down. Click on make public. Scroll down and click make public. So we make them public. Now go to properties. Just scroll down. Here we can see that static web hosting. Just click on edit, which is disabled in state. Select the enable. Here give the name of the file index.yml and save changes. Here we upload. Now copy this URL. Go to new tab. Paste it here. Hit enter. See, we hosted our website successfully. It's perfectly working. So this is how we host our static website using Amazon S3. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe the video. Thank you.